How to prevent STI. What is STI? STI stands for sexual transmitted infections. If you did not call it STI, you can also call it STD. That is sexual transmitted diseases. So, how to prevent STI? That is what I am going to share with you people in today's video. If you want to live long, if you want to always perform well as a man, you should learn how to prevent yourself from STI in order to live long and to perform well as a man. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end so that you will know the 3 best ways to prevent STI or STD. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. In case you are new on this very channel, consider to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. What are the 3 best ways that will help you to prevent STI, that is sexually transmitted diseases? Number 1 is get vaccinated. What is vaccination or vaccinated? Vaccination is when your body is being protected from contacting any contagious diseases through taking of drug or injecting drugs in your body system in order to prevent you from getting any infections. Now an infusion, that is vaccination. So once you get vaccinated, it will be very hard for you to contact any disease. Any contagious diseases can never be your portion once you are vaccinated. But on how you are not vaccinated, it will be easy for you to be infected or affected with infections or any contagious diseases. If you want to prevent STIs or STD, get vaccinated. Number 2 ways to prevent STI is get tested after and before new partner. What do I mean by this? If you are someone that always have a sex partner or you are into a relationship, before you get into a relationship, get tested to know whether you have infections, and your partner will also get tested to know whether he or she is also infected. Both of you need to get tested and treat each other or treat yourself in case if you are infected. So on how you do this, both of you now are sure of each other. You can never have further infection. But on how you did not get yourself tested and treat yourself, and you jump into another relationship, you might give that person an infection, or that person might give you an infection. So get tested before or after any relationship so that you will know whether you are free or you are pure in your body system. Getting tested is another way to prevent STI. Number 3 is always use a condom. This one is very important for those that are not married. For youths that are single, always use a condom, because condom is a material that will prevent or protect you from contacting any diseases. And if you always use condom, it will be very hard for you to contact any disease. So if you are a single guy, you never get married, always use a condom to protect yourself and to protect your immune system. So these are the 3 best ways to prevent STI or STD. So that is what I want to share in today's video, and that is it for today's video. I hope you get value from watching this video, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do well to hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comments and questions in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Like and share this video to your friends and families. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. I wish you good luck. Bye.